You are the appellant.
I'm for the appellate.
It is not running in the list.
No, that is why I'm mentioning it.
Why not? You have been mentioned earlier. If it is ready for hearing,
But my lord, since my lord, the available bench, my lord, let it be added in, my lord.
it is 3:24 now. The exact actual time is 3:30. So
Let it be. That's a very humble.
wait for a few minutes. Wait for a few minutes.
Okay.
From 3:30, there is a resolution of the bar.
There is a food court.
That is known to. At this end, it is known,
Yes.
but I will have to comply with the time of.
Oh yes, yes,
This bench is to sit at 3:30.
yes, my lord.
Kindly be seated.
Yes, my lord. may have.
It has been served.
Yes, my lord, it was received by the Lord and Advocate Mr. Shivjit Mitra. Yes.
Paper book ready.
No, there is no paper. Yes, paper book has been. Paper book has.
Served upon the respondent.
Yes,
How many sets of respondents? One or
one.
sole respondent? Oh, sole
Only of
respondent.
Prashant Chatterjee.
Yes. কে আনিয়ে নেবেন দেখে নেবেন অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটা আছে কি yes
Dispute between two relatives.
whatever ঠিক আছে yes any mentioning
Grateful, my lord. Grateful.
দেখে নেবেন দেওয়া আছে তো এখন তো কোনটা ডাকবেন অ্যাকচুয়ালি শুনুন এটা তো 9-1
Item number 3.
My lord, Lordship has heard this matter on 3rd of on 12th of December. Lordship was pleased to pass this order.
what has happened to be mentioned
To be mentioned, my lord, I do not know. My lord, I mentioned this matter on 2nd because it was due to appear as per your
2nd of December
2nd of January.
2nd of January
It did not appear. I came and mentioned before your Lordship. Lordship then directed the
Write this order.
But Lordship directed this matter to appear on 9th.
9th of January
9th of January, day after tomorrow.
you are for the respondent
I am for the respondent. Lordship, the
respondents
respondent.
so no
My lord, regarding the first paragraph of the order, my lordship was
transfer the can one
Can
is
one.
not in the record
not in the record. My lord, what I have found, if your
put
lordship
in the file
no, if my lord takes the additional paper book, my lord, will it be
additional
there is an additional paper book file in this matter.
no
There is a
no
skeleton.
no first of all the can is to be in the record
My lord, can is, I think, my lord, in the additional paper book, if lordship kindly comes to the last at page
additional paper book কি আছে
এই একটা এরকম
you are assisting him kindly be seated be seated আচ্ছা
now this is the main paper book. My lord, there is a
the thick one or the thin one
thick one.
this is
Thick
the
one.
main paper book yes
My main paper book is, my lord, lordship has been handed over the
this
thin
one
one. Thin one is the main paper
Achha.
book. Thereafter, an additional paper book has been filed.
Hmm.
Motata.
yes I have got it
My lord, lordship has got it. My lord, if my lord comes at the end at page
So,
185.
First of all let us go through the order last order dated 12th of
January, December. Yes, my lord. Yes.
So going through the record, the transfer can one is not in the record. In such a way, then represent the appellants as well as the respondents are requested to furnish a copy of the application on the next date of hearing.
Yes.
This is in relation to can is one in relation to what is the prayer of the can
My lord, I think this has been disposed of. If my lord
disposed of.
kindly takes page 185 of that thick paper book.
Uh,
185. And comes, my lord, at page 188. there is a order passed by Justice Bhattacharya.
One
8. My lord, I think this is the application which was on the Honorable Court was looking for. This has been disposed of. Second paragraph, since the original application is not traceable.
Today, this matter has been mentioned at the instrument of the respondent. It appears that on the death of sole respondent, an application for substitution after setting aside abatement on condonation of delay was filed on July, June or July 1997, but the said application is not traceable. A plain copy of the said application has been filed, Mr. Shah appearing on behalf of the appellant. Since the original application is not traceable and the copy of the application has already been served upon the heirs of the deceased respondent, let the same be treated as the original until the original is traced out. On consent of the parties, the application itself is taken up for hearing today. After hearing, I therefore condone the delay, setting aside abatement and direct the office to substitute the names of the heirs, recognition of deceased respondent as mentioned in the cause title of this application in place of the deceased respondent. This one is order dated 4/2/2000.
2000. My lord, this says about this application.
But
which,
the main problem is that nowhere the CAN number is mentioned. Otherwise,
yes, my lord. My lord,
it would have been clear.
my lord, on those days, my lord, CAN number. Actually, the said original application is not traceable.
Nipendranath Banerjee
Nipendranath Banerjee, yes,
has expired,
has expired.
but sole respondent died.
My lord,
and
that's why we got the
substituted
notice
by
from the department.
Tithi Banerjee, Tirthankar Banerjee, Madhavi Sarkar.
Yes. See, I am appealing for Tirthankar Banerjee.
Oh, only one.
My lord, others are not here.
So
Nipendranath Banerjee.
this one will have to be settled in presence of the other side also.
Yes,
Otherwise,
my lord. That's why, my lord, since
No,
it was court's query, it is my
I'm
duty
taking
to.
up because if we can see
on
the
9th
entire fact, the 9th it will
on
be
9th, it will, we can
Easier.
proceed with the appeal.
Yes.
My lord, since, my lord, it is more than 45 years we have got the decree. We got this decree.
Suit for
Suit for
partition.
No. Suit for ejectment of the tenant. We got the decree.
You are the landlord.
Yes, my lord. In November 25, 1981, we got the decree.
CAN 2, this is an application seeking leave to provide additional evidence. As I said, application is additional taken up along with the hearing.
Yes.
Order
That is
41,
order 41.
Order 41 will
Order 41 lines.
CAN 3, the while seeking substitution of the sole respondent. Once again, who is to be substituted?
My lord,
the said application has been disposed of and the legal heirs of the sole respondent
yes,
have been substituted.
Nipendranath Banerjee has been substituted with Tirthankar Banerjee.
That is why CAN 1.
No, my lord, CAN 3. Old CAN number 2465 of 1967.
If CAN 1, according to you,
Yes.
if CAN 1 was of the substitution of the original respondent, Nipendranath Banerjee, then how can the CAN 3 will be also that same thing, substitution of Nipendranath? I think later on someone has expired. This won't be as per the year goes. The first one can be assumed or presumed to be the application seeking substitution of Nipendranath, original respondent, because this was filed when Nipendranath expired. That can be said by the Tirthankar Banerjee.
Yes, my lord. Right now I cannot.
Learned counsel.
I will come on.
Kindly come with a death certificate, copy of the death certificate. If the death took place during the year 1997, then probably
This will,
this
this
will
order
be
will,
the scan one will be in respect of the death of Nipendranath. 1997 or prior to that, it will be. But this one will be, I think, is the wife BT Banerjee. BT Banerjee is the wife of Nipendranath. You are the son.
yes, I am the son, Tirthankar Banerjee. My notice of appeal was served on me. That's how I came to know. Tirthankar Banerjee. Notice of this appeal
No,
was served on me, Tirthankar Banerjee, on my client.
But BT Banerjee and Madhavi Sarkar. Maybe the mother.
Mother and daughter, maybe.
Maybe mother and sister of your client.
Yes.
So it can be that the mother may or may not be that the mother BT Banerjee has also expired.
I will.
So this application has been filed seeking substitution. 1 minute. And 2465.
Malad, CAN 2465 is renumbered as CAN 3 of 2007. There is an order with me of 2004. If Malad kindly.
2465 of 2007.
This has been renumbered as CAN 3 of 2007.
Yes. But herein do you have the application? Do you have the application? The CAN old number 2465 of 2007?
I am looking, Malad. There is an order of 9th February 2024.
Herein, in paragraph 8, that during the pendency of the appeal, the original plaintiff respondent Nipendranath Banerjee died, and on the application of the late Draupadi Gupta.
Draupadi Gupta, yes.
Who is Draupadi Gupta?
Draupadi Gupta is the first appellant.
This honorable court, by its order dated 4th February 2000. Learned Counsel on 9th having viewed the application from CAN 2465, it transpires.
Yes, Mother.
Paragraph number 8.
CAN 2465, yes, my lord, I have.
Paragraph number 8.
Paragraph number 8. That during pendency of the appeal, the original plaintiff respondent Nipendranath died, and on the application of Draupadi Gupta, this honorable court by order dated February 4, 2000 was pleased to direct the name of the heir of the deceased be substituted, and also pleased to direct the paper book be filed within 4 weeks. Pursuant to the said orders, heirs of the Nipendranath Banerjee has been substituted and paper book has been filed. The appeal is pending.
Now,
that during pendency of the appeal, Draupadi Gupta died intestate on 2007, leaving behind are 2 sons, Vinod Kumar Gupta and Jyoti Gupta.
Said heirs are set out here under Vinod Kumar Gupta, son of said deceased, Jyoti Gupta, son of said deceased, Asha Ruiya, wife of Ramesh Ruiya. Herein one thing should have been added. Daughter of whose daughter it should have been added.
Well, the affidavit has been annexed to this application is of Jyoti Gupta at page 172. From the records, it appears the said application has been disposed of, and the legal heirs of the sole respondent.
Oh. This one has to be rectified. Paragraph 5.
Paragraph 5 of the?
Order dated 12/12/2025.
Yes, my lord. From the record, it has said application disposed
On the
of.
last occasion, you were not present.
I was there, my lord. On 12th, my name is also recorded.
So it was not assisted at that relevant point of time.
Mr. Shukanta Chakravarti was addressing, my lord.
That's why this
Yes.
paragraph number 5 is to be modified, rectified.
On the record, it appears said application has been disposed of and the legal heirs of the sole respondent has substituted. They are already on record.
No, but that is in respect of Can 1 of 1997.
This recording has been made in Can 3.
This one,
What
this paragraph 5
Yes.
won't be in respect of Can 3. It will be in respect of Can 1
Yes,
of 1997.
yes. Then it will be clear, my lord. Then we can proceed.
এটা কি বলে না order কিছু হবে না order won't be passed because in the absence of the other side no order can be passed but একটা আপনি নোট নিন তো হ্যাঁ রেখে দিতে হবে ওটা 9th এ লাগবে ওটা
তো আছে আগে
The order dated 12/12/2025 has been
Lordship, I am appearing for the appellants in this matter. I apologize. Today there is a resolution passed by one of the
yes
And I mentioned that.
no order is being passed by the
Lordship.
council.
Lordship, I am grateful.
Each and every order will be passed in presence of both the sides, in your presence only.
I am
But
grateful.
for the sake of preventive measure, this one is being noted. So that
Note, I fail to understand, my lord. Noted as in
there is stuff in the paragraph number 5 on the date, on the last day, that is on 12/12/2025. There was no proper assistance. So this paragraph number 5, which is appearing in the order dated 12/12/2025, that will come under the heading Can 1 of 1997, not under the heading Can 3 of 2007.
That is that application has been disposed of.
And
Lordship, that technical.
technical, but this order is not being passed today. For the preventive measure, it is being taken note of.
So that on 9th, the appeal can be proceeded with.
Are you able to hear?
No, he's there's a problem.
Learned counsel,
Yes,
in your
yes.
absence, no order will be passed and no order is being passed.
Just a note is kept with the records so that on
Are you
9th
able to hear?
No, again his net is not there.
Character 5 of the order it has been mentioned that the application being Can 3 of 2007, old number Can 2465 of 2007 has been disposed of and the legal heirs of the sole respondent have been substituted. With me inverted comma হবে পড়ুন And that the application being can 3 of 2007 with the old number এত হ্যাঁ এবার এখান থেকে আচ্ছা উইথ ইনভার্টেড কমা ডট 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 উইথ ইনভার্টেড কমা দিয়ে ডট 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 দিন হ্যাঁ না 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 ডিসপোজ অফ এর মধ্যেই হবে ডিসপোজ সরি ইনভার্টেড কমা দেবেন ইনভার্টেড কমা দিয়ে ডট 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 দেবেন তারপরে লিখুন হ্যাজ বিন ডিসপোজড অফ and the legal heirs of the sole respondent have been substituted. Full stop. They are already on record. Full stop. Okay, the inverted comma closed. This this disposal of the said application and substitution of the legal heirs of the sole respondent have been in respect of Can 1 of 1997. Bracket old number Can 5597 of 1997. And learned counsel on the next day bring a copy of the death certificate of that
Yes.
person. Now we will have to see whether this Can 3 of 2007 has been disposed of or not.
My lord,
Lordship, this is a substitution application.
yes. No. My lord, as
It is-
per the
It is
cost.
it is not being taken up today. Learned counsel.
Lordship, I understand. I'm still here. I'm still here because my learned
Nothing-
friend
no,
was making
yes.
submissions.
No, I told the court that there is a
Learned counsel. To expedite the matter, this is being.
I understand, but the general understanding is that my learned friend ought to have mentioned that and not do the matter since the other side was not there.
No
There is-
order is being passed. No order is being passed, Learned counsel. Be assured, no order is being passed.
my lord,
Lordship, I'm here. Now that I have appeared, I'm still there. That's not a problem. Obviously, my lord is hearing the
But
matter.
the matter will be taken up. The matter will be taken up on 9th only.
I'm grateful.
Can you say whether the Can 3 of 2007, that is Can 3 of 2007, whether it has been disposed of or not?
Lordship, it is a substitution application, and the
Yes, substitution
substitution application has
One minute.
was filed
Yes,
But-
1 minute.
by
only.
us. But
It has been disposed of. It
Yes.
has been
the
disposed of
fact
on
is that there
1st
was a
of
previous
December.
substitution
Fir-
made.
1st of December 2023.
Lordship, that was
application-
disposed of because there was the substitution was already made on a prior basis in 1998.
Okay, I need the one, don't go. Sorry. 1 minute.
Lordship, I don't have
1
the
minute.
brief to assist me, Lord, as well.
Yes. 1 minute. Let me go through the order. Submits of the instant application has been made bona fide. The transfer notice or not Draupadi Gupta. This application was filed seeking the substitution of Mrs. Draupadi Gupta.
Yes, the respondent, it was allowed.
No, not respondent.
The appellant,
Appellant.
the appellant. It has been recorded in the order dated December 12, 2025 as the sole respondent.
December 1, 2000. No.
My lord, in fact, my lord, according to
minute.
my
So
understanding,
it is necessary to hear the matter on contest for the purpose of hearing of the instant appeal. The application being Can 3 of 2007 is considered and allowed. Yes, Can
My lord,
3 of
therefore, Can-
2007 has been allowed.
Can 1 and Can 3 stands allowed and disposed of.
Present
Only Can 2 of 2002 is pending.
The
That
present-
is for additional evidence
the present
of my learned
the present applicant be hereby substituted. Applicant became subject. At place of the sole respondent, appellant, being appellant numbers 1A, 1B, and 1C respectively.
My lord, may I make a small submission, my lord?
1 minute, Lawrence
My lord.
counsel.
Yes, my lord.
Can 3 টা কোথায় গেল? Calcutta কে দেওয়ার করলে তুমি? এটা হচ্ছে এটা কি 2465 আমি দেখলাম তো এই অ্যাপ্লিকেশন গুলোকে how many prayers have you made in the application being can 3 of 2002?
Joshua,
My lord, can
that
2 of
application perhaps has been disposed of.
Can 2 of 2002?
Can
can
2 is the application for filing additional evidence
evidence.
that has to be heard along with the second appeal.
Do you have the record? Do you have the brief?
Joshua, I do not have the brief. I am remotely appearing, that is the reason. May I only request Milord to kindly keep it.
One thing in this said application, it has been the first prayer is your petitioner therefore most humbly prays that your lordships may be graciously pleased to formulate the following further substantial questions of law. Subsequent events have necessitated framing the following questions of law after taking into account the said two documents. Such additional substantial questions of law may be as follows. You have sought
Yes,
for
that has,
substantial questions of law. In
since
addition
we
to Order 41, Rule 27.
yes, since we are opting to rely on those documents, those substantial questions of law must be formulated along with the hearing.
No. 2465 has been disposed of. Can 3 of 2007.
Yes.
Old number 2465 of 2007 has been disposed of by order dated 1/12/2023.
Worship, that is the substitution application.
This portion has to be incorporated in the
Order dated.
last order, that is order dated 12/12/2025.
My lord, therefore, we
It will be passed on 9th of January.
my lord, therefore, can 1 is no more there. can 3 is also no more there. Only can 2 is there.
Learned counsel, as has been directed earlier, assistance has been sought for from both the learned counsels to provide copy of the Can 1 of 1997.
My lord,
I will take instructions from a learned advocate on record, and on the next date, I'll come back with such instructions.
Can 1 of 1997.
Can 1 of 19.
A copy of the same.
Lordship.
Old number is
5597.
5597.
5597.
5597 of 1997.
my lord, I tried to assist with my lord with the order dated recorded at page 188. My lord, I think that is Can 1.
Can 1.
That order at page on order dated 4th
On the next day.
of oblige, my lord.
No order is being passed today, learned counsel.
Because of the
Lordship, grateful. I'm grateful.